Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus number 2 because we have s. So I will put negative number 2 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have number 1. So we can simplify like this. So this one we change for u. S that is about u plus number 2. This one that is about u plus number 2. The s we change for the u. Now we need to expand this one. So in this one, number 5 multiplied by this one. Negative 30 multiplied by this one. So 20u minus 30u, we have negative number 10. This one we calculate and we got number 4. So this one divide by this one divide by this one, and number 4 divide by this one. So the integration of this one that is about number 5 Fn of the absolute value of u. So the integration of this one we have number 10 over u. The next one that is about negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have negative number 2. This one we have negative number 2 about u that is about s minus number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.